Welcome back to Decor, your go-to channel for inspiring home garden design ideas that turn even the smallest spaces into something extraordinary. Today, we're diving into a genius rustic garden makeover that transforms a tiny front yard using recycled decor and creative charm. If you've ever looked at your small outdoor space and wondered how to make it beautiful without spending a fortune, this video is for you. We're going to show you how simple, reclaimed materials can completely redefine your garden. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Decor, hit that like button, and drop a comment below telling us what kind of garden makeover you'd love to see next. Let's get into it. Every great transformation begins with understanding the space you're working with. This front yard may be small, but it holds incredible potential when approached with the right vision. We start by clearing clutter and identifying key zones, entryway, planting area, and decorative focal points. Even the tiniest yard benefits from structure and intentional design. By observing sunlight patterns and existing features, we can decide what to keep, what to repurpose, and what needs a complete refresh. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows. Rustic design is all about warmth, texture, and a natural, lived-in feel. It embraces imperfections and celebrates materials that tell a story, perfect for a recycled decor approach. Think weathered wood, aged metal, and earthy tones. These elements bring character and authenticity, making even a small garden feel inviting and timeless. By sticking to a cohesive rustic theme, we ensure that every addition, from planters to pathways, feels connected and visually harmonious. Now comes the fun part, bringing in recycled elements. Old wooden crates can be stacked to create vertical planters, adding height without taking up valuable ground space. And used tin cans, glass bottles, and even worn-out buckets can be transformed into charming plant holders. A little paint or natural aging can enhance their rustic appeal. We also incorporate reclaimed wood to build small benches and edging. These pieces not only serve a purpose but also act as decorative highlights that define the space. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a small garden. We focus on a mix of low-maintenance greenery, flowering plants, and trailing vines to create depth and interest. Layering is key: taller plants at the back, medium ones in the middle, and ground cover or small pots at the front. This creates a lush, full look without overcrowding. Adding herbs or edible plants can also make the garden functional. Imagine stepping outside to pick fresh basil or mint right from your rustic setup. Details make all the difference. String lights or solar lanterns can add a magical glow, especially in the evening, enhancing the cozy rustic vibe. We also introduce small decorative accents like stones, wooden signs, or vintage-inspired ornaments. These elements personalize the space and make it truly unique. Finally, a simple pathway using stepping stones or reclaimed bricks ties everything together, guiding visitors through the garden while adding structure. And there you have it, a genius rustic garden makeover that proves even the smallest front yard can be transformed into a beautiful, welcoming space using recycled decor. With a little creativity and thoughtful planning, you can turn everyday items into stunning garden features that reflect your personal style. Thank you so much for watching Decor. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next garden transformation.